Welcome back to Giant Machines, the home of colossal engineering and unstoppable mechanical power. Today, we enter the world of the most powerful soybean harvesters ever built. Rotors spinning like hurricanes, engines roaring across endless fields, automation systems predicting every grain of crop. These are the machines that harvest faster, cleaner, and stronger than anything that came before them. Get ready. The era of the soybean giants begins now. We open the list with the perfectly balanced workhorse, the new Holland CR9. It's hiring. Built around the legendary twin-rotor TM system, this combine delivers incredible consistency in soybean harvesting. Its dual rotors thresh and separate with smooth precision, keeping grain loss to a minimum. The automatic crop flow system adjusts rotor speed, fan pressure, and sieve settings in real time based on crop density, with wide draper headers feeding it like a conveyor of power. The CR9.90 becomes a true harvesting runway, sweeping through fields with remarkable stability. Not the biggest of the CR family, but certainly one of the most efficient soybean performers ever engineered. The S7 series marks Deere's leap into the next generation. Machines that don't just work, they think. With the upgraded Combine Advisor Turbia Auto Maintain, real-time sensing of moisture and crop load, the S7 can self-optimize nearly every aspect of harvest. Soybean conditions shift constantly. Humidity, stem toughness, pod density, and the S7 reacts instantly, fine-tuning rotor, and sieve systems with minimal operator input. The redesigned feeder house ensures smooth crop flow, while the Command PRO cab feels more like a futuristic cockpit than a traditional combine. A machine engineered for a future where automation and intelligence lead the harvest. Lightweight, efficient, surgical. The Gleaner S98 stands as a unique icon in the harvesting world. With its aluminum frame, the S98 is surprisingly light, allowing it to glide over soft fields with minimal soil compaction. Its transverse rotor, the signature of Gleaner, handles soybeans with unmatched gentleness, protecting grain quality even in delicate conditions. Inside the cab, operators enjoy panoramic visibility and a digital interface that feels more like piloting a commercial aircraft.
Fast,
agile, clean. The S98 proves that a combine doesn't need to be the heaviest to be one of the best. Simple, strong, reliable. The Case IH8250 is the definition of axial flow engineering. Its single rotor design threshes soybeans with a gentle touch, while still delivering massive throughput. The updated harvest automation system adjusts fan speed, rotor settings, concave clearance, and more, all on the fly. In tough green stem conditions, or high moisture soybeans, the 8250 powers through like a red cyclone. This is a machine engineered for farmers who demand both capacity and stability across massive acreage. A former king of the fields, the John Deere S790 remains one of the most respected soybean combines in the world. Its high-capacity rotor devours crops with shocking efficiency. The DynaFlow Plus cleaning shoe increases airflow and separation power, keeping grain clean and losses low. Combine Advisor Esteem and Active Terrain Adjustment give it a clear advantage on slopes and uneven fields across millions of acres. The S790 has proven itself as a durable, high-performance harvesting beast, a benchmark for entire generations of combines. Here comes the future. The Fendt IDEAL 10T, a stealth black titan engineered with German precision. Its enormous dual helix rotor delivers staggering processing volume. The Vision Cab offers full 360-degree visibility, ergonomic seating, touchscreen controls, and some of the most advanced automation in the industry. AutoDock allows for header attachment in seconds, and despite its massive size, the 10T operates with surprising smoothness and silence in the field. This is more than a combine. It's a futuristic masterpiece. A world record holder, a blue legend, the new Holland CR10.90 is one of the most iconic combines ever built, famous for its Guinness-recognized harvesting capacity. Its extended twin rotor TM system delivers industry-leading efficiency, crushing through massive volumes of soybeans with ease. The ultra-wide Draper header feeds the machine like a high-speed conveyor, enabling enormous hourly output. Smart Tracks ensures stability and traction, while the premium cab makes operators feel like they're driving a luxury SUV rather than a mega combine. The CR10.90 is not just powerful, it is historic. Bigger, stronger, louder. The CLAAS IH9250 is the red giant engineered for high-performance harvesting on mega farms. Its oversized rotor handles extreme soybean yields effortlessly. The expanded cleaning system manages incredible volumes of crop, while the powerful engine drives consistent performance all day long. The cab offers quiet comfort, excellent visibility, and intuitive controls for those who want maximum power in a pure axial flow machine. The 9250 is the true flagship. A German super machine, a hybrid harvesting monster. The CLAAS Selection 8900 stands as one of the highest capacity combines ever created. Powered by over 790 horsepower and the APS SynFlow hybrid system, the 8900 brings extreme threshing and separation capability to the soybean battlefield. The CMOS automatic system analyzes thousands of data points every second, optimizing every part of the machine. Rotor speed, fan pressure, sieve opening, forward speed, and more. When the 8900 moves across a field, it doesn't just harvest, it sweeps it clean like a golden storm. A true mechanical masterpiece. At number 1, the reigning king of soybean harvesting, the John Deere X9 1100. Twin rotors, revolutionary crop processing architecture, a cleaning system capable of handling enormous volumes with almost zero losses. The X9 delivers up to 45% more capacity than previous John Deere flagships, while using less fuel per ton. Combine automation allows it to operate like a semi-autonomous machine, constantly adjusting itself for maximum efficiency the X9 does not simply harvest. It dominates everything in its path. This is the most advanced, most powerful soybean combine ever built. Ten machines, 10 legends, 10 mechanical titans shaping the future of modern agriculture. From the precision of Gleaner to the brute force of the X9. From the German powerhouses, Fendt and CLAAS, to the iconic red muscle of Case IH. Each combine represents a different philosophy. Yet all push humanity closer to the future of high-capacity harvest. As global food demand rises, as fields grow larger, as efficiency becomes the ultimate race, these giants will only grow stronger. This is Giant Machines. See you in the next chapter of Colossal Engineering.